Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, my name is Samantha, and I'm coming to you live from the WHVR studios. Today is Friday, October 24th, 2014. In weather today, the village of Schaumburg is expected to have a high of 66 and a low of 54, with partly cloudy skies. Now, please stand up and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Blackhawks lost last night to the Nashville Predators with a score of 3-2. The Bears play the New England Patriots on Sunday at noon. Clubs meeting today are the Green Thumb Club, Group B, in room 103 at 11 o'clock. The Photo Club at 3 o'clock in room 104. And on Monday, Partners Club will be meeting after school at 3 o'clock. Today is school store. Come down and shop at lunchtime. Next week is PBIS Spirit Week. We will have special themed days all week. Monday is Pajama Day. Come to school cozy for the day. Today is Hoover's movie night. Halloween Town will be playing in the lower theater in the gym. And The Nightmare Before Christmas will be playing in the upper theater in the library. Tickets are $3 and the doors open at 6 o'clock. And now a word from Mr. Smelger.
Thank you, Samantha. Good morning, Hoover. Hopefully everybody had a great week. We're gonna pull some Hoover Hawk or some Herbie high fives. You're the Hoover Hawks. All right. I'm not sure if this is the primary egg or the intermediate. I guess we wrote it. This is for downstairs primary. All right. We have got. Oh boy. Yeah, we're gonna have to. That's not even a glasses thing for me. I can't read that handwriting. Remember to write neatly. We've got Lisbeth in 106. We have got Martha in 117. Arya in 112. There's a lot of these in here. Oh boy, I can't read that one. Sorry. Priya in 117. We're going to do two more. Let's do Brianna in 105. And the last one for downstairs. Who's it going to be? Yash in room 107. All right. And the intermediate egg. Got some people in studio with their fingers crossed. We've got Adam in room 210. Let's see here. Remember to write neatly, please. Akash in room 209. Oh, Varshini in 202. Sarah in 213. We'll do two more. Let's see, we've got Daniel in 203, and the last one for today, who's it gonna be? Melanie in room 212. Remember, students, after announcements, come down to the office. Everybody have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Smelger. Here's today's fun facts. Have you ever wondered why our new phones are called smartphones? It's because they could surf the web, send and receive emails, and check where you are with a GPS. Wow, that is pretty smart. That's all for today. This week's pre-broadcast pictures and sign-offs were brought to you to you by the first graders in room 106. Good job, first graders. Have a fancy Friday.